My name is Alex Voss. I have the position of assistant tennis professional at the Hawkeye Tennis and Rec Complex. My responsibilities there are to teach both junior players as well as adult players the game of tennis. I got into tennis back at the University of Illinois. I was a high school tennis player, followed the game, enjoyed the game, and ended up getting a part-time job at the University of Illinois facility. Through that job at the University of Illinois, was able to meet and then ultimately be mentored by their men's tennis coach. At the same time, he was having some ideas and ways to create an exciting atmosphere around University of Illinois men's tennis matches, and saw me as somebody that would be able to take on some additional responsibility. So that was kind of my first project, resume builder, that got me excited about working in tennis and potentially pursuing a career in tennis, which I ultimately have. It was 2011. My wife, Michelle, got a job as a professor that brought our family from Champaign to Iowa City. In making the move, I was evaluating whether I wanted to stay in tennis, whether I wanted to pursue other career opportunities. And Iowa City has a strong and growing tennis community, and they had an interest and a need at the university facility, the Hawkeye Tennis and Rec Complex, for someone to be an instructor. In regards to my position as an adjunct lecturer for rec and sport business and creating and leading the sport event management class, a little bit by chance, in that my wife, during her new employee orientation, had sat next to Dan Matheson, who was a new lecturer in the rec and sport business program. And as they shared stories about themselves and their backgrounds, my wife Michelle mentioned I had done some event management and sport marketing with the tennis programs at the University of Illinois. So that chance meeting led to me being a guest speaker at his sport marketing class that first semester that he taught, and he was kind enough to introduce me to Mike Teague, the program director. So they saw this growing need among their students and in their department, and they saw me as somebody that could use some of my experiences and thoughts to present some of the topics related to sport event management. That's my background in tennis and how I am an adjunct lecturer in sport event management.